In this video, we are going to show you how to replace your trunk lid support on this Nissan Maxima. You'll have one of these on each side of the rear of your vehicle. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Now it doesn't matter which one of these trunk lid supports that you're replacing, the process will be the same. To dislodge this, of course, you do want to keep in mind that this is what's holding the trunk in the upright position. Just make sure it does not come down and potentially hurt you. On either side of the trunk lid support, you're going to find that you have a small metal clip that we have to dislodge, and then we can pull this out and away from its mounting point. For this, you can use a small pocket screwdriver or even a pick if necessary. We just want to try to get underneath that clip and pull it away from the shock itself. Now, as we're pulling that clip out and away, it should be unlocked and we should be able to pull the shock out of position. Let's repeat the process for the next mounting point down at the bottom here. Continuing on, we want to make sure we clean and inspect each one of our mounting points, confirming that they're clean and they're not rotted or damaged in any way. Let's prepare to install our brand new trunk lid support. For this, we can install it on either side here. I'm going to start up along the top. We'll align this and press it in. Listen for a click from that locking tab. Once you've heard the audible click, go ahead and give it a little tug. We're trying to slide it out of position. It should be locked in. Repeat the process for the next mounting point. You can raise or lower the trunk lid as necessary for this. We'll just line it up and press it in. There we are. A quick confirmation to make sure we're properly secured. Repeat the process on the other side of the trunk lid. After that, go ahead and test the functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.